points, we are going to do the construction of G major. How are we going to do it? Number one, I hope you can remember as we were constructing C major, we follow the same rules. That those rules are the ones that are going to help us to construct G major higher. Our first rule was if we are if we in the C major construction, we said our do was supposed to be C. The same here now. We are going to construct G major. Now we are going to use G as our do. How? Let's do this. We first make the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then we are going to start here with our G. Then let's move G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then after getting there, I hope you can remember there is a rule or a formula that we say we should follow so that we can get that melody of do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That melody, we said this was the rule. I'm going to write it somewhere aside. Tone, we said there's our formula. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. That's our formula. Now, let's go to our keyboard. We want to confirm whether we are going to get that. Now, we are going to start where? Here is the place that we are going to start. That is the place we are going to start. Where G is, and we add where G is. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So we are going to end it here. That is where we finish it up at. Now we come and make ourselves remember we are having two things that are separating the melody. We had the tone and semitone. We had the tone and we had the semitone. And this we said it is one whole, and this one we said it is half. Now let's go from A to G to A. It will be tone because we have a black one there. A to B, it will be tone because we have a black one here. B to C will be semitone. C to D will be tone. D to E will be tone. E to F will be semitone. F to G will be tone. Hey, now let's see what we are going to do. We want tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So our big problem is here. There is a problem. So this one is wrong. We have already confirmed it's wrong because there is an issue there. There are two things are wrong. The tone and the semitone. Because we should not have semitone and a tone. It should be tone and here semitone. What are we going to do? Now let's come here. We ask ourselves, what are we going to do so that we can be able to get our melody right? This is what we are going to do. From E to F, it is one step. And we said a tone should have two steps. And this we should have one step. So from E to F, it will have one step. Then from F to G, it had two steps because it's from here to here. I hope you can get it. Now what we are going to do, we are going to move this F here. So we are going to have F sharp here. So from E, we will move two steps, one, two. So we will have F sharp as our, this one, our T, our T do. This T will not be F. It will be F sharp because we want how many steps? 1, 2. That's why we have moved from F to F sharp. Then, so it will change and it will become our tone. So this one now is invalid. I hope you can get that. Now, from F sharp to G, it is one step, of which now we have made it to be a semitone. Now we come back, we do our correction. What are we going to correct? This F will be sharp. So it will be very unique that it will be F sharp in it. It will have a sharp in it. That is our first thing. So in conclusion, we can now say this is a tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, because already this is not the normal F, it will be our F sharp. Now, after we have gotten this, we must represent this on a staff. We are going to draw it on two staffs, the treble staff and the bass staff. I want to start with the treble staff. So I'm going to write here treble staff or treble cred. Now this is our staff. So we are going to start by drawing treble cred. Then we come here. Now we are starting with G. We check where G is and that's where we are going to start. So our G, we confirmed very well it is on the second line of our treble staff. So here it will be our Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do. Then I'm going to close my staff like that. I'm going to close my staff like that. Then from there is something. This is G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now, after getting that, we know that we have F sharp. So we are going to put sharp where there is F, the second last. From here we come back 1, 2. This second. Now we are going to put our our sharp in this line like that. I hope you've seen. In our line, we are going to put two lines there, one up, another one down, like this. That's how we put our sharp on F, because this is F. On this line, it is our F. Now, from there, we draw another treble staff where we are going to draw it like this. And then we draw it as usual. Then we logo it as we have done it here. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then we close it with a double bar. We close it with a double bar. Then also we are going to put now our sharp not close to this grave but far away, almost to the note, almost to the note. Where are we going to put? On the same line. This is G, this is F. So we are going to put it there like that, up, down, like that. Now I want to show you a very small difference. I want to show you a difference that you are going to see in these staffs. This one is representing this information, and also this is representing this information, but different, because there is something I want to introduce of with key signature and without key signature. So now we want to know which one has key signature and which one does not have a key signature. There's one where we draw this accidental cross to this clef. This one is a treble staff with key signature. This one because the sharp is almost to this clef. Then this one is treble staff without key signature. Now I'll come to something else. We are going to discuss this as we wind up this episode. We are going to talk about the bass staff. So I'm going to draw two staffs. Then I'll draw the base and I'll put the two dots. Then here I'll also draw another base staff. I'll do the same thing. I'll put the two dots. Then we look where is G. On our base staff, we came to realize G is on our first line. So this will be our Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Si, Do. The same information here as I do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Si, Do. Now, we have the same information. Now we come to the with key signature. With key signature, we look where F is. There's F. The second last, we put sharp here. Like that, then up and below. Above and below. Then here we come closer to the music note at its behind. Then we put it up and above and below. But kindly note this. You cannot place it in front of it. You can't. When you place it in front of the music note, it is wrong. It will be automatically be wrong.